channel. So if today is the first time of stopping by, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And thank you to all my subscribers, thank you to all my old returning subscribers, returning viewers, coming back, watching my videos. Thank you so much. So today's video, I want to do a review of the product that I used, and going by the title, the product is Funbact-A. Let me turn it this way. Okay, Funbact-A. Okay, my camera should focus a bit. So this Funbact-A is a triple action cream. I've used it for more than 3 years. Yes, I've been using it for a very long time. But initially, I was using it the wrong way. Yes, I wasn't using it the right way. I was using it all over my face. So I had issues using it the first time I started using this cream. That was 3 years ago, and which I will share with you. But before I come to that, let's first start with what I like about Funbact-A and what I don't like about it. Then before I go on to how you're going to use this product to work effectively for you. My like about this product. There are so many things I like about this product. Yes, so many things. So I'll have to read from my what I've jotted down so I don't miss out some information. So now, yes, I use it to clear out spots on my face. Though my spots, I still have a little bit of it, but it's way better now. If you check my previous videos, my first, second, third videos when I joined YouTube, you'll see that my face looks so bad in those videos. Yes, check it out. And I also show you pictures of how my face looks like, so you try to compare and see my face before and now condition on my face. So my face looks much more better now. So it helps me clear up my scar, though not completely clear. So it's used to treat fungal infection, it helps to treat bacterial infection, it helps to treat yeast infection in the vagina, and so many lots of benefits. So these are just few I mentioned. So now let me get straight into what I don't like about this product. I don't like about this product is, if you're the type that you don't want your skin toning, if you don't want to look fairer than your normal complexion, I guess you just have to be careful using this product. Yes, you just have to be careful. So that's it. Brings me to what I did wrongly in the past, how I used it wrongly. So I will still come to that. So if you don't want your skin toning, well, you just have to be careful using this product. And secondly, if you use excess of this product, because you have to consult your physician or your dermatologist to recommend this product for you. So too much abuse of this product is not good. So it has this side effect like skin irritation, may cause burns, and there's a cousin of mine that used it too much, and she had this something like eczema kind of on her face. So that was the side effect. So you just have to be careful using this product. So I will come to how you can effectively use this product, the product I used to clear off all my acne. So now, another dislike about this product that I don't like is there's so many fake out there. So I'm still trying to figure out how to know the original. So to get rid of, to avoid buying fake Funbact-A, so what I do is I go to my beauty store that I know they sell original. So I wouldn't know, I can't really say 100% they sell original, but at least I trust them to some extent. Now let's go into how you're going to effectively use this product to make it work for your skin without having side effects. So now let's get into that part. So now how I use this product is, first, before I go into how I use this product, let me let you guys know what other things I do with this foam. So this is how it comes. So what you just need to do is this part that has this pointed part, what's it called, you just have to use it because it's already sealed. So what you just need to do is press it in and it opens. So that is how I open it. So you take a little bit of it, then you apply it on the area you have spots on. Don't apply it all over your face, because if you apply it all over your face, other part of your face will still get more brighter and your spots it will look as if it wasn't working. Yes, that was the mistake I made in the past. When I was using it, I used it all over my face. I found that my face was getting so fairer and my spots were getting more obvious. So I thought of it. I said, what have I been doing? I've been doing it wrong. So I stopped that way and I started using it on the areas that I know I want to lighten up a little bit, which is the spot area or my under eye. So whenever I have any dark spot here, any dark patch here, I just put it around there. Or I used to have some, I still have a little bit of it, but I used to be very obvious, so I just put it there before I go to bed. So then that is how I do it every night, and gradually my spots started fading out. Yes, you can try out this method. Mix it with your Vaseline if you want to get rid of rashes from your body, or you want to get rid of ringworm. Mix it with your Vaseline, then apply it on your body. Or if you want to get rid of your spots, don't use it all over your face. Just take a little bit of it and apply it on the area. Concentrate on those areas where you have the spots, and trust me, you will be okay. So that is all my review for today. So thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget, what works for Mrs. A may not work for Mrs. B. So you just have to keep on trying what works for you. So there are other products I used that also help with my acne. So I will share that with you in my next video. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.